Governor Alex Otti says he's keeping to his campaign promises of bringing to an end the challenges of infrastructure development in the state. He reveals that though it has become much more difficult to achieve anything owing to the high cost of living evidenced by the inflation rate, his government will stop at nothing to bring development to the state. Otti insists he's not in competition with anyone, but on a mission to change the face of Abia.
We are just keeping to our promise of ensuring that our tears of several decades are wiped away so that our people will stop weeping. There are a lot of challenges for which we have seen protests in different cities and states, and those challenges have to do with the realities of the economy. I'd like to let our people know that we are not in competition with anybody. We are just running our own race.
He enjoins Abians to perform their civic responsibilities, especially payments of taxes, to help his administration succeed.
I would like to challenge you to continue to support this government. I challenge you to carry out your civic responsibilities of paying your taxes, paying your rates and tariffs, and giving overall support to this government so that together we can build a prosperous state.
The transition chairman of Ohafia local government, David Oba, says the project captures the desire of the people for even development. According to him, the significance of the road is a testament to the collective resolve to foster development and allow businesses to flourish.
A project that symbolizes our unwavering commitment to addressing the infrastructural deficit in Abia State.
For these residents, the construction of these roads signifies the birth of a new Abia.
I feel so much excited, even I have never seen what is happening today. Even in the past government, except during the time of Umuahia Uzuakoli, that is when this happened.
I really feel great because in time past, we have suffered a lot of stress and accidents and misfortunes just because of the project. Since the man has remembered us, I think it's a good thing.
Honestly, I'm overwhelmed with joy because it has not happened before. Right? Within few months, this road has been like this for decades. And within few months of His Excellency Dr. Alex Otti, OFR, he has fixed this road.
The 67-kilometer Umuahia Uzuakoli Ohafia road would be constructed in 3 phases by 3 contractors. The road, which would be 2-lane with 1.5 drainage channel, would also have streetlights adorning the roads.